In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT running slow 2026 full guide. We'll move through practical fixes that address the most common causes of lag, from overstuffed saved memories to cluttered browser data, and even wider service slowdowns. First, let's clear up a frequent misconception about saved memories. When you see an out of space for saved memories message, it's referring to your personalization list, the facts ChatGPT remembers about you across chats. Upgrading your subscription won't increase that memory capacity. Paid tiers may refresh which facts are prioritized, but the storage limit itself doesn't grow. To truly free space, you need to manage what's stored. Click your profile icon in the bottom left corner, open Settings, head to the Personalization tab, and select Manage. From there, click the trash can next to any outdated, duplicate, or irrelevant item to immediately reclaim slots. If you're running out of space often, try the profile consolidation trick. The cap is based on how many entries you have, not how long each entry is. Start a chat and say, provide a complete, detailed, bulleted report of every memory you have saved about me. Copy that output. Then go to Settings, Personalization, Manage, and choose Delete All to wipe the fragmented list. Open a new chat and say, consolidate these facts into a single highly structured user profile text block with zero fluff, and commit this entire block to your memory. Paste the list underneath. You've now compressed many entries into one, often reclaiming a large percentage of your slots. If the interface still feels choppy while text is streaming, your browser may be weighed down by corrupted session data or oversized cookies. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, and clear browsing data for all time, focusing on cookies and cached files. If you don't want to sign out of other sites, click the lock icon in the ChatGPT address bar and remove cookies and site data specifically for OpenAI.com and ChatGPT.com. Heavy threads can also slow rendering. Ask ChatGPT to summarize your entire conversation framework so you can jump to a fresh chat. Paste that summary into a new thread and continue. Close idle tabs to free RAM, and if your browser still hangs, install the native desktop app from chatgpt.com/download for smoother performance. Finally, if responses are stalling or cutting off after local cleanup, visit status.openai.com in a separate tab. If everything shows operational, the slowdown is local to your setup. If not, it's a broader service issue. And that's it. Keep your personalization lean and your browser data tidy, and you'll notice a faster, more responsive workspace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.